This video is going to be for Tumblr Daemon. It's a new software for automating Tumblr. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to walk you through each of the modules and explain how they work, and yeah, just explain a little bit about the program. So when you open up the software, the first module that you're going to see is the follow unfollow module. That's where we are now. Also, before I get started, you're going to notice that in all of these modules, I already have the account tab pulled over, so you can't see the account names. That way, I don't have to blur it out during the editing. And I also have the parameter column pulled over for them, so you're not going to be able to see the entire parameter either. All right, but here I'll just show. You can see you can pull them down and make them as big as you like. So, all right, for the follow and unfollow module, it's pretty simple. You have the option to run multiple tasks at the same time if you're using proxies. If not, then you can just delay each task X amount of minutes. You have the option to repeat all tasks automatically after X amount of hours. You can reshuffle tasks before it restarts. In the follow settings, you're going to see you have the option to ignore blogs that it's followed before. You can shuffle the list of blogs when you're following from a text file that you have them in. You have the option to use the maximum limit. Basically what that does is it'll just keep on following blogs until Tumblr stops it. Or if you don't want to do that, then you can limit it from 10 to 20 or however many blogs you want. Now also, right here, you're going to be able to set how many seconds it should wait in between each task. So for the demo, I'm gonna do my delays, from like 5 to 7. That way, it can speed up the process for the video. That way, we're not, sitting here having to wait for too long. All right, so what you can do is you can just click on load up all accounts, and it'll load up all of your accounts for you. Or if you just want to do one account, like I'm going to do for the video, then you can just click on one, and yeah. So then you can see you can go to set tasks, and in the follow and unfollow module, the options that you have are you can follow from a search result, you can follow from a text file, follow other users available, follow from a popular blog, or unfollow. Pretty self-explanatory. So for the demo, I'm just going to go ahead and do follow from a search result. So for the keyword, I'll just put in something like cool, and it will go, and it will when you hit start, you can see it will go and it will follow blogs based on if they are tagged as cool or whatever you put in there. So you can see it's opening the search page, searching for cool tag, and it's found the first guy and it's following him, and you can see it has followed him. Now it's going to follow the next guy. You can see it's followed him. All right, so as you can see, that does work. So we'll just stop that. It's followed those three. It's pretty easy. All right, so for the next module, we have the video uploader. Now what this does is you can load up your accounts here, put any tags that you want to tag your video as, like we'll just put neat, cool, awesome. Or if you want, you can load your tags up from a text file. All right, so yeah, you can just load up your accounts, or again, you can just choose one. And like I said, I already have my video folder loaded up. But yeah, just choose the folder that has your video. Set up your settings over here. You can use maximum limit, set your delays. Again, for this, I'm just gonna put 5 to 7 for the delay to get it over with. You can shuffle the videos that are in your folder before it'll start posting them. Or if you want, you can just leave this unchecked and it'll just go straight down the list of them. And you have the option to delete the video from the folder after it has been posted. I usually don't do that. But all right, so yeah, so we'll click on start. You can see it's navigating to the Tumblr homepage, and it is going to post the video in 1 second. It's posting the video, and it is done. It has been posted, and it is also tagged that video as neat, cool, and awesome tags. All right, so the next module we have is the image uploader. Works pretty much the same way as the video uploader module, but instead of uploading videos, it uploads your photos for you. So same settings, put your tags here. Over here, you choose your account or your multiple accounts, and you select for the path, you select the folder that has all of your images, and click on Start. You can see it's going, and it's navigated, and it's posting the first image now. And it has been posted, and it'll even give you the link for where you can see that image. I'll have to blur that out in the video. All right, so the next module that we have is Text Poster. This works the same way as the previous two modules, but instead of videos or images, this will it'll post text instead of images or video. But it works the same way. Just choose your account, choose your folder that has your text file with whatever whatever text you want it to post. Put in any tags that you want it to have, and you have the option to shuffle it, or you can also post all content in it, or if you want, you can just do from 1 to 10 or however many you want. So we'll just do 1 to 1. All right, post between 10 to 20. We'll change that to 5 to 7 for the video. All right, and click on Start. You can see it's going, and it's posting in right now. And it has posted what was in the text file. So, like I said, it's really, really simple stuff. Also, if you want to give it a title, then you just load up another text file right here for your title. I didn't do that for the video, but it gives you that option if you want to. So the next module is the liker module, and basically, this is real simple to use. You put your URLs here. You can put multiple URLs. Just do a different line, like right there, even though it's the same one, but you can do that. And then over here, you just select the accounts that you want to go and like that post, and click on Start, and it will do it. So we'll just run 3. Well, here, when I click on abort, it'll instead of counting down, it'll just go ahead and like it. But yeah, you can see it went and it did like it. Yeah, when you click on abort, it will automatically finish whatever task it was supposed to do once the timer ran down. All right, so as you can see, that works. It has liked it. Now the next module, the Reblog module, works the same way. Just put in your URLs over here. Select the accounts that you want to go and reblog the content, and click on Start. Here, we'll change this. I don't think this is the setting that we need, but just in case. Oh, yeah, that did it. You can see now, yeah, it is going, and it's reblogging that content. So yeah, to adjust your delays, this is how you adjust your delays, even if you are using multiple tasks at the same time. All right, so as you can see, it worked. So the next module we have is the send messages. Now what this does is it will go through your list of followers, and it will automatically send them your message. Now I don't have any message file loaded up for this. I'm not going to actually show this in action, but it does work. I have tested it. I just don't want spam, all my followers with the same thing over and over, that I'm using in testing. But yeah, it works really simple. You have the option to ignore users who your accounts have already sent the message to before, or if you don't care about that, just uncheck it. You can use the maximum limit. Basically, that means it'll just keep on going and messaging your followers until Tumblr stops it for the day. Or you can just choose how many people it should go and send the message to. Right here, you can run multiple tasks at the same time if you have proxies. If not, then you can set how long it should wait in between each task. And it has the make links unique function. What this does is it will automatically add a random string of characters to the end of your link. That way it's not, it's not sending the same exact thing over and over. Always use this option. It helps prevent you having your URL from being flagged. So always use the make links unique. Other than that, it works really, really simple. You just load up your accounts, select your message file and click start. That's all there is to it. All right, so the next module is the mass liker and reblogger. Now, the way this works, oh crap, I'm gonna have to blur that out in the video. Whoops. All right. So what this does is you can search the posts of specific blog names, or you can search by tags for your keywords. And once it finds them, you can either like the content, you can reblog the content, or you can have the accounts like and reblog the content. So we'll just choose that for the demo real quick. Also, where it says type to like or reblog, you can either have it do all types, or you can have it search specifically for text, photo, quotes, links, chat, audio, or video. So for this, we're just going to do all types. All right. You can also filter your search a little bit more by only liking or reblogging posts that already have more than X amount of notes, and only liking or reblogging any content that was posted less than X amount of days ago. All right. Now here you have the option to have your accounts ignore any content or posts that have already been liked before. Same goes for reblogging them. And right here, you can either have it use the maximum limit, or you can automatically have it stop once it gets to a certain amount for each keyword. So we'll just do 3 for the demo. All right, right here you can run multiple tasks if you're using proxies. We'll just set that to 3. You can have it delay after liking or reblogging after X amount of posts. So we'll just set that to 3. And here is where you choose what that delay should be. So for this, I'm just doing all of these delays for this video, something really short, but you're not going to want to do that in your own campaigns. All right, down here, you have the option to repeat all tasks after X amount of hours, and that'll go and it will automatically restart all of your accounts over. And again, right here, you can have it automatically shuffle the tasks up before it restarts them. All right, so for this, we'll just use this one account. Instead of going by blog name, we'll go by tag. So we'll just put in cool for the tag, and we will hit start. You can see it's searching for images that are tagged as cool, and it's going to go and it's going to like and reblog this this image in 20 seconds and counting. So while we're waiting for that to count down, I am going to try to find my lighter since I got some time to spare, and I'll go ahead and have a cigarette. All right, so you can see it is liking and it is reblogging, and it has done it. So then now if we let it keep on going, then in 26 seconds it would do the second one and so on. But we'll just click on stop, and we'll stop it there. So you can see that does work. All right, the next module we have is the scraper module. Now, with this, you can either scrape the posts and the content of tags, well, by tags, or of exact blog names. So we'll just use tags. You put in your keywords here. We'll just put cool, neat, awesome. Down here, you can choose what type of content that you want to scrape. You can do all type, text, photos, quotes, links, chat, audio, or video, or you can have it do all of them. We're just going to do all types. You can use the maximum limit, or you can limit it yourself. We'll just click on Use Max Limit and click Start. And it is scraping. You can see the posts that have been tagged with cool. And it shows you what type it is, whether it's a photo, a link, whatever. All right, so this, obviously, it will keep on going until it gets to 1,000 posts for cool, and then it will start over and get 1,000 for neat, and then 1,000 for awesome, and so on. But we'll just go ahead and stop it there. You can see just in that short amount of time, that 30 seconds, it scraped 826 results. So from there, you can remove any duplicates. Doesn't look like there were any. Yeah, and then you can save either the usernames only, like let's say you want to add them to people that you want to have your accounts follow, or you can save the image URLs, or you can save all columns. All right, so the next module we have to go through is account statistics. So this is real simple. You just click on load accounts, update stats, and it will show you how many posts each account has made, how many followers it has, and how many other blogs that your account is following. Oh, and it will also tell you if the account has been terminated or not. If any of them have been terminated, then you can just click on delete and delete terminated in the master list, and it will automatically remove them from the account manager for you. It's really, really simple. All right, so the next module is the avatar editor. Now, this is real simple. Just load up all your accounts. Whoops. Looks like it doesn't want to load up all of the accounts. No, it's okay. I'll let him know. That way he can go and fix that. But yeah, I'll just load up a couple of them manually real quick. Actually, well, no, we don't need that. That's just going to take up more time. So I'll just do one account. That way you can see that it works. Looks like it's going to make me choose one for this. That's okay. And avatars. All right. So here, delay. Oh, now I got rid of it. Okay, I'll let him know about that too. That way he can get that taken care of. But yeah, I just want to show you that it does work. All right, so fix these, make it real short, and click on start. And you can see it will go and it will automatically upload a new avatar for your accounts. And it has uploaded the new avatar for the account. But yeah, I will let them know that the load all accounts button right here needs to be fixed. That way it can just load all of your accounts up for you. So don't worry, that will be fixed by the time you actually see this video. All right, now last but certainly not least is the account creator module. And you know what this does is exactly what it sounds like it does. It'll go and it will create accounts for you with the push of a button. And then it will automatically verify the emails for you. So what you do, oh, also right here, you're going to notice that this stuff is blurred out. It's my path for the name, the proxy list, and the email list. But yeah, right here, you just put in your text file with your names. The second line, you load up your text file with your proxies. Choose what you want the format of the usernames to be. You can just do name, you can do a name plus a random number or plus a random string. So for the demo, we're just going to do name and random number. Change what you want the age to be. We'll just do from 18 to 40. Set the maximum character length of the username to however many you want. I recommend keeping it at 12. Right here, load up your text file that has your email list. Delete used email addresses. If you check that, it will go and it will delete the emails from the text file. If not, it'll just keep them in there. Then right here for email server type, if you have access to spam folders on your email, then you're going to want to choose IMAP. Make sure you get the proper incoming server, whether or not you need to use SSL, get the right port. If you wanted to check the spam folder for you in case the verification is not in the inbox, then select this box, type in the name of your spam folder. For these emails, that would be junk, and choose how many accounts you want it to create. I'm just going to do 10, and you click on create accounts. And I'm going to have to blur out all of this. Oh, looks like some of my proxies are not wanting to work with me. I will have to get some new proxies. They should not be doing this. It's okay though. The proxy provider that I use, if you have any problems like that, they will go and replace your proxies for you completely free of charge. That place is myprivateproxy.net, so I highly recommend going through them. In fact, if you click on proxy provider right here, it will take you directly to their website. But yeah, so we had a couple proxy errors, so we'll just get rid of those. Get rid of that one. All right, so, but these three, you can see that the account has been created and it has automatically verified the email for you. So, as long as your proxies are good, you can literally create hundreds and thousands of accounts just with the push of a button. So, yeah, let's see, is there any more modules? Nope, that is it. So, I hope this video helped explain everything. And yeah, thanks for watching.